Wait a minute! Actor D, tinawag niyang my girlfriend si Actress B. Oh my God, holy moly! D is starting to slowly open up about their relationship. Talk about the challenges they face in their relationship and how this have straightened them as a couple. I think that for every single couple who goes through challenges, that's a good test to know how you're going to be there for each other. I think that moment really proved to me how much of a supportive girlfriend I have, Dee said. Dagdag pa ni aktor, I really felt like I wouldn't have gone through the situation if it wasn't for her. She really made me feel comfortable, strong, safe, very much protective, and she always made me see the positive in every single negative, and that brought up the positivity in me, but I'm happy, we're happy he's stressed. I said what I had to say, and yeah, now we're just living our lives and we're very happy. At dagdag pa ni aktor, it's honestly better than ever. Like, we've been through a lot this year and it really tested us and it made us even stronger, like more than I could imagine, and I'm just happy.